Welcome back. Now we are going to test our project. So you create two folders on the desktop. One folder is called Command Server. The other folder is called Client Red. Then we'll open our projects folder. From the reverse remoting desktop solution, open the Client Red bin release. Now the release folder is there because we have changed our build to release build. Copy the client exe and also the DLL file. Put it inside the Client Red folder on the desktop. And then head over to the server, the command server, open the bin release folder, copy out the command server and the DLL file, and put it in the command server folder in the desktop. So now we are going to execute the server. So double click the command and control server. This is the user interface. We can check to see if it is listening by opening a command prompt and typing the nested command. Scroll up and you will see port 7777 is listening. It means that our server is waiting for the client. So now we execute the client. The client is invisible. And immediately you see here, inside the command server there are three new files, 1, 2, 3. That means the client has sent this data to the command control server, and the command server has saved these three files here. So if you were to click this hello button, it's supposed to open the hello file, read the string and paste the string in the text box here. There you go. You can double click to see. There you go, hello origin is here. If you click the by, it is going to open the by and paste the contents here. There you go, goodbye. Open it, there it is. So this is how the client can send data to the server using reverse connection. If you click picture, it's supposed to open this picture and put it here. So let's try that. And this is the picture of our desktop, right? If we now move the desktop around and click picture again, you should be able to see the new image there. Alright, so it seems that our project is working, and this is how you can test it out. So if you have a separate computer or you have a separate virtual machine, you can put your client in the virtual machine, and then the client will try to connect back to this machine, and then you can capture the desktop of the client. But before you do that, you have to make sure that you find out what's the IP address for this machine, and then change the IP address in your code over here. This IP address should be the IP address of your machine here. Your machine is assumed to be the attacker machine, the one running the command and control server. If you wanted to find out the IP address, you can type ipconfig, and that will show you the IP address. Over here, 192.168.0.113 is my IP address. I have a second IP address, 192.168.50.61, and this one is for the VirtualBox connection. So if your client is running in a VirtualBox in this same machine, then your client should connect to your VirtualBox IP address. This is the IP address of the host machine. So that is something extra for you to try it out if you wanted to, but it's optional. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.